Welcome to a life-altering journey, where every step you take brings you closer to a healthier, happier you. This is the 90-Day Fit Challenge, a comprehensive program designed to transform your life. This is where we transform our bodies and minds, pushing past limits we never thought possible. Are you ready? Let's begin this incredible adventure together. This challenge is more than just a diet. It's more than just exercise. It's a holistic approach to wellness. It's about becoming the best version of yourself, inside and out. We will focus on 3 key areas that are essential for overall well-being. They are workouts, nutrition, and mindfulness. Each plays a crucial role in your transformation. Over the next 90 days, you will learn valuable lessons that will last a lifetime. You will discover the power of whole foods and how they fuel your body. You will experience the joy of movement, finding exercises that you love, and you will cultivate inner peace, learning to manage stress and find balance. Are you ready to unlock your full potential? Join us and let's make these 90 days count. Let's talk about food. It's not the enemy. In fact, it's your greatest ally. It's fuel for your body, the energy source that powers every move you make. We're going back to basics. Eat real food, the kind that nourishes you from the inside out. Think fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. These are the building blocks of a healthy diet. These foods nourish your body. They give you energy, stamina, and the ability to perform at your best. Avoid processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive unhealthy fats. They can drain your energy and harm your health. They sabotage your health. Instead, drink plenty of water to stay hydrated. It keeps you hydrated and helps your body function properly, aiding in digestion and nutrient absorption. Remember, food is not just calories, it's information that communicates with your body. It tells your body how to function. Choose wisely and let your food be your guide to peak performance. Movement is essential. It keeps your body strong. It keeps your mind sharp. We'll incorporate a variety of exercises. Try cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises. Find activities you enjoy. Make exercise a habit, not a chore. Listen to your body. Push yourself, but don't overdo it. Rest is just as important as exercise. It allows your body to recover and rebuild. Section 4. The mind-body connection. Cultivating inner harmony. Your mind and body are deeply connected. Stress, anxiety, and negative thoughts can impact your physical health. Today, we'll explore mindfulness techniques such as meditation and deep breathing. These techniques help to calm the mind, reduce stress, and improve focus. A calm mind leads to a healthier body. So take time for yourself each day. Practice gratitude, connect with nature, nurture your mental well-being. Section 5. Daily rituals for sustainable change. Small changes add up to big results. Let's incorporate these daily rituals into your routine to create lasting, sustainable change in your life. Start your day with a glass of water and a healthy breakfast. Hydration is key to kickstarting your metabolism and ensuring your body functions optimally. This simple habit sets a positive tone for the day, providing you with the energy and nutrients needed to tackle your daily tasks. Move your body for at least 30 minutes each day. Physical activity is essential for maintaining a healthy body and mind. Find an activity you enjoy, whether it's walking, running, dancing, or yoga, and make it a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. Consistency is key. Eat a balanced diet rich in whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Limit processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats to support your overall well-being. Practice mindfulness for 10 to 15 minutes each day. This can help reduce stress, improve focus, and enhance your overall mental health. Find a quiet space, focus on your breath, and observe your thoughts without judgment. This practice can bring a sense of calm and clarity to your mind. Get 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Sleep is crucial for physical and mental recovery, helping you feel refreshed and ready for the day ahead. Remember, quality sleep supports your immune system, improves mood, and enhances cognitive function. These small changes, when done consistently, lead to remarkable transformations in your health and well-being. Embrace these daily rituals and watch as they create a positive ripple effect in your life. Section 6. Your transformation begins now. This is your wake-up call. This is your opportunity to take control of your health and well-being. Commit to the 90-day Fit Challenge. Embrace the journey. You have the power to transform your life. Start today. Your future self will thank you.